Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to make a all insect killer and what is the formula behind it. It is used for the control of cockroaches, bedbugs, flies, mosquitoes and ants. But before that, I would like you to subscribe my YouTube channel for getting the updates of all such latest videos. So let's begin. Before starting up, I would like you to wear hand gloves and face mask for safety protection. For making 250 ml of all insect killer, we will be requiring these things. First is household insecticide. It is basically a green colored liquid. Around 10 ml we will be requiring, and it is the main ingredient. Second thing is kerosene oil. You can also use pure water. We will be requiring 240 to 250 ml of it and an empty beaker. So let's start the process. Firstly, we will add kerosene oil. You can also use pure water. Around 240 to 250 ml we will add to our empty beaker. And secondly, we will add this household insecticide. It is basically a green color liquid. So we will open the box now, and you can see it's a green color liquid which is basically a insecticide, and it is the main ingredient, and buy link of this product is also given in the video description below. You can check from there. Around 10 ml we will add to our beaker, and you can see our solution color changes. And now we will mix the solution. Mix it well. After mixing well, we will see all insect killer is ready in quantity of 250 ml. And it is a very effective liquid. It is used for killing cockroaches, bedbugs, flies, mosquitoes and ants. And you can do the packaging in this kind of spray bottle. But do remember, while mixing and spraying, you should wear hand gloves and face mask for safety purpose. So friends, now you came to know how it's so simple to prepare a all insect killer, and we prepare it by just adding two things. First is household insecticide, and the second thing is kerosene oil, and we prepare it in a very low cost. So those who want to do a business of it, they can do a business of it and can earn a huge profit from it. It's a profitable business idea. So friends, I hope you like my video, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel also for getting the updates of all such latest videos. Thanks for watching and stay connected.